So now we'll be working towards the dates variables in this data. It is often used to track progress over time. So we can monitor the performance matrix simultaneously by comparing them side by side. This can help us understand trends of each parameters like sales area products, or profits. We start now here, you can see the sign called date. Let's move date to column. Add sales to row over here. Observe that Tableau has shown this date as year. On clicking the plus sign, this expands as quarter, then again into month, and finally day. You can view your chart by adding or reducing these. Right now we are in the month-wise granularity. We can see sales trend for January 2012 to December 2013. This is very flexible to iterate in different time buckets. If we do right-click over here, so this particular part is for discrete and this particular part is for continuous. It's good option to keep date in continuous form. We can just play around over here by converting discrete to continuous. We can select from this drop down over here. As you can see, it has options like automatic, bar, line, area, square, circle and so on. All of this won't be the most prudent choice for a specific data type. We will iterate through these options to show you how it works. Going ahead over here and changing the column from date from month to week format. Now we have the quarter view again. If we go over here and do a show filters, we will get this slider on the top right. We can drag this visually, and see the corresponding changes in the visualization.